Okay, everybody, I'm doing another recording of a van tour of Royal Ruby. This one is when I have it set up in double bed mode, just to give you an idea of what this kit is capable of. This is a double bed, full-size double bed. It has nice, thick mattress foam on it. And underneath, as you can see, there's like tons of room under there. I got about, I don't know, I got these two slidey drawer things that I have clothes and pots and pans in. Then I got another one of my milk crates, which is gonna have my dry food in. Then on the other side, I got 3 more just like that and a toilet under there. That's all my stuff. So back here, you can see I have a little curtain there that separates the back from the front. So at nighttime, all I have to do is close those little cafe curtains. I'll show you how that works. Just close these at night. And now you don't need to put a Reflectix up because it totally blocks off the back of the cabin. And then I have another blackout curtain on the front. During the day, I just take them and pull them up. And usually I just throw them up over the rod so I can open up the whole back window. Over here you can see I hung a curtain rod here. It's actually a shower curtain, so I can hang all my clothes, pretty much all my sundresses, my shirts. And I have this cute little pocket organizer that I'm gonna hang all my personal garments in. That'll be great for that. Just hangs here between my side. Here's my fridge. Freezer fridge has a full compressor, so it keeps things frozen as well as refrigerated. It opens from both sides. It'll open from the inside as well as the outside. I just put my Berkey in. I'm so excited. This is a water purifier, and what I do when I arrive at the campsite, I just pull it out of the sink and sit it here on the counter, and you have fresh water. So I can take the water from my sink, because I have 13.5 gallons altogether of water in the van. Just take the water out of my spigot, put it into the top of the Berkey, and it drains down into the bottom, and then I have fresh drinking water. So that is gonna be awesome. So yeah, guys, these are my, my counters that get held up. Underneath here I have all my breakfast items, because now I have to cook off the back of the van because I have the double bed mode going on for when I go to Virginia. So I have my coffee pot. In the morning, I'm gonna sit it up out back here, plug it into my Jackery, which is right there. I have my 1000-watt Jackery right there. You can see my refrigerator is plugged into it. And then my 240 Jackery is over here. And that's where my water pump is gonna be plugged in. And you can use that for phones and anything else electronic that you wanna plug in. So yeah, I'm gonna have to do a little bit of a different setup for Virginia because my son is coming with me, Jeremiah, and I'm going to have to be in double bed mode. But I will have my Carcel tent with me, which is over here, that goes on the back of the van. It's over there, that black thing. That's the Carcel tent, and it's a pop-up tent, and it attaches to the back of the van. So what I'm gonna do is set that up. I have my shower tent tucked in over there on the side. I'm gonna set that up also for the toilet, so we'll have a nice little campsite. I'm supposed to get a cargo carrier by May 10th, but if I don't get it in time, I just wanted to make sure I could fit all my gear into the van without the cargo carrier. I have both of my chairs back here underneath behind that last egg crate or milk crate. There's both of my camping chairs as well as a little chair that I can set up when we're not for day mode. Because during day mode, we take this bed, push it back, it slides back, and this whole floor space is open to sit, cook inside, whatever you want to do. So this bed is easily collapsed, and the cushions can be sat on the floor, and you can sit on the floor, watch movies, drink your coffee inside if it's raining. So this is really easy to put back You just slide this back. It has a telescopic thing here that slides. You just slide it back and you can go into your day mode. But I just wanted to show you guys how cool this kit is, that you can put it into a double bed mode. Here I have a little bedside table for myself and my little bedside table for Jeremiah. He can charge his stuff there. I can charge my stuff over here. Of course, I have my fairy lights plugged into my Mophie. So we are ready for Virginia. I just thought this was pretty cool. I just had to show you guys the setup in double bed mode. I've never used the double bed mode before, so I didn't know like what it was going to be like. And as far as, you know, using my chair, I do miss my chair, but we'll be able to sit out in the canopy in the Carcel tent during the day in our chairs, in our camping chairs. So I really won't miss having the chair inside the van, because I'll still be able to push this bed back, telescope it back, so that we'll have this, literally this whole front area to put our small camping chairs inside of here and just sit in here when it's raining and watch movies if we don't want to sit in the canopy outside. So we have lots of versatility with this kit. It is so awesome. I hope you guys can go online to freewaycamperkit.com. This is the Nomad kit, and like I said, it comes with all the different functions. It has single bed mode, a chair, then it has double bed mode. It has a little sliding table that comes with it. When you're in single bed mode, you use that. And then you get the compressor refrigerator, and the sink with running water. It has like a water pump. This is your switch for the water pump. This is where you fill up your water. He just sent me a plug. It's on order to plug in here, because I don't like that, you know, dirt and stuff can fall into my water supply. So he told me he'll send me a little plug for there. So yeah, this is Ruby in double bed mode. I just think it's very cool. Like I said, I still can cook my coffee. It's just going to be set up a little different. I'm going to have it set up out here in the back. I could still put it on the top of the refrigerator and make my coffee on the inside of the van in the morning if it's raining outside. I can still set it up that way and just plug right into my Jackery there if I don't want to be on the outside of the van. So there's so much versatility with this kit. I hope you guys enjoyed the tour. Have a blessed day.